Hi, my name is Joshua Chanago, aka Joshtalks, and this is Value Based. And as you know, every week on this show, we bring somebody important, somebody of value to talk to us, to inspire, to motivate us. Today, I have a computer tech guy. He's an entrepreneur also. He's Mr. Igwe Uguru. Thanks for coming on the show.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so tell us about yourself.
Okay, my name is Igwe, and I happen to be a technology entrepreneur. I actually run a technology innovation and software laboratory in Abia State. I am actually in the business of uh, empowering businesses and facilitating them to grow and scale faster by providing them with the right infrastructure and technology they need to actually drive their business.
Okay, so you are a computer guy.
Mm.
Like in general English.
I'm a technology
Yeah,
guy.
so tell us about the computer world, like in this part of the country, like in Aba. Tell us about the computer world here in Aba.
The computer world here in Aba is actually on a slow mood, but by God's grace, we have some persons who are helping to grow it
Okay.
because a lot of energy is needed. Today in Aba, we have few persons who are aware of what technology can help them achieve, especially businesses. Because we know Aba used to be, and I believe Aba still
It's,
remains the Japan of Africa.
yeah.
And a lot of businesses are coming up. They need to understand technology. They need to understand the importance and the power of technology in the aspect of driving their businesses. So as it stands now in Aba, it's growing. The tech ecosystem is growing. We are having a whole lot of persons who are coming up in the tech ecosystem of Aba.
Now you made mention of businesses like they don't know the importance of tech, like how technology can help their businesses. So for a business owner, how can technology help the business for the business owner that will watch this video?
Okay, when it comes to businesses, today every business should leverage technology to scale. Now, as let's talk about the fashion industry.
Okay.
We have technologies and we have indigenous technology that are transforming the space of fashion.
Cool.
So look at the aspect of finances. You can be able to use technology to address your finances, manage it. Schools can be able to use technology to actually track attendance and a whole lot of stuff. So businesses should know about this.
Yeah. Okay. Now, in this part of the world where this computer, like the technology kind of life or stuff, is not really appreciated, how are you guys coping? Where, like, okay, for instance, I have a computer. I know how to operate a computer, but I am not a tech person. So how are you guys bringing yourselves together? How are you actually thriving in this part of the world?
That's actually an interesting question because I remember 5 years ago, 5 years, 4 years ago, when here in Aba or Abia State, you have a whole lot of persons who are great when it comes to technology. I must actually say this because we have some persons who represented Nigeria in Dubai
Wow.
and they came from Aba. Now, in 2014, Abia State, my team, my co-founder, who happens to be my co-founder today, we actually built the best software in Nigeria.
Wow.
And the truth is, we are not actually acknowledged. We are not actually, but these things are not what we are looking at. What we are looking at is how can we transform our society? Because I learned from one of the past leaders that you don't look at what your community will do for you. You look at what can you do for your community. Our customers are not actually within the space of Aba.
Yes.
So what we do is we actually do businesses with people in China. We have organizations that we build solutions in China, in Western countries. You understand? And the funny thing is this. Nigerians are actually amazing developers than most of the persons we say in the Western countries, because we are there, we build solutions for them, we ask us questions, we respond to them, and this is actually where we get most of our income. But what to do in Aba is, we know that we need to run a lot of sensitization, a lot of awareness, and we know that there are a whole lot of persons who can be empowered, who can become self-reliant, who can become independent by leveraging and understanding how they can use technology as a career to earn. You understand? So we do a whole lot of social projects, empowerment.
Like just the completed
Teen Hack Summer Code Camp.
So wait, those people here were teenagers. Teenagers were coming to learn how to code, or teenagers or children, which one? Because or still or small kids.
Okay, we had 3 sections. We had the game and animation section, which is 1. So they are actually within the age of 6 to 10. Now we also had another section, which is the mobile app development and web app development, which these are actually the teenagers from 12 to 18. You understand?
So they were taught how to code.
They were taught how to code. They actually learned how to build web development using WordPress. Now, you know, I always say this. The truth is, what we need as individuals is the right information. If you know there is an information you get now, your life will change. You understand?
Yeah.
So all we are pursuing is to get the right information. Now, who should we sit down and keep hammering that the government is not doing anything, that nothing is moving, no power, and so who will sit up to do this? I believe that persons who have the capacity to do this should step up and do this.
Okay. For all of you watching that are around Abia State, the East, and you want to venture into tech, he's your guy. His name is Igwe Uguru. He's a techie. I don't know what people are called. He's a tech specialist. See, if you're interested in technology or computer or coding, whenever I look at all those codes, they look like I'm seeing French or Greek. Anyhow, for those of you that understand what it is, but I know how to use a computer well, very well. But whenever I look at all those like HTMP / and the rest of them, I actually took a course on that, but I couldn't understand anything there.
Okay.
But if you're actually desiring to enter that field, he's your guy. Now, for any last words for everybody that is watching, anybody that might want to venture into this field you are in, just any random last words.
Make sure you are committed. Make sure you are committed. Make sure you have the passion and the interest. So that's all I have to say.
Committed, because I started that course after 1 week. I stopped. Make sure you're committed.
And join a community. Join a community. Very important. Lab 5 Tech Hub is here within the space to actually help a whole lot of persons.
All right. So thank you all for watching. I had the pleasure of sitting with a tech entrepreneur. If you're interested in the computer field, he's your guy. Follow him. His name is Igwe Uguru. They have Rat 5 Tech Hub here in Aba, in Abia State. Thank you all for watching. Like, share till you come away next week. This is still value based, and I'm your host, Joshtalks. Thank you.